Avoid ginger if you have these health issues. Despite being a cure-all for many health problems, ginger should be avoided by those who have certain medical conditions. Ginger can treat everything from stomach issues to colds and chronic coughs. But ginger has its limitations as well. This natural treatment can be dangerous to those with certain diseases. If you have any of the following health issues, you should stop using ginger immediately. 1. People who are underweight. Ginger is widely recognized as the root cure for weight loss. It modulates digestive enzymes in the stomach and lowers hunger, resulting in weight loss. However, there are consequences for persons who are already underweight. People who are already malnourished and have a low BMI can experience a loss of appetite, hair loss, and vitamin deficits. Women may also experience menstrual abnormalities. If you want to gain weight, cut ginger out of your diet. 2. Persons suffering from blood diseases. Hemophilia is an uncommon disorder in which the blood is unable to clot. Though blood clots might be dangerous in specific situations, they are nevertheless necessary for the body. A loss of clotting capacity can result in significant bleeding as a result of a minor cut or injury. Whereas ginger is indicated to enhance blood circulation in the body, patients with hemophilia may experience significant hemorrhage as a result of increased blood circulation in the body. It may even negate the effectiveness of some life-saving drugs. 3. Pregnant women. Though ginger can help pregnant women lessen morning sickness and weakness during the first few weeks, it is strictly prohibited throughout the third trimester. Ginger consumption during the last trimester of pregnancy can cause premature contractions and labor. 4. Persons who are taking certain medications. Ginger must be avoided for persons on diabetes and high blood pressure medication. When coupled with ginger, medications such as beta blockers, anticoagulants, and insulin can be extremely dangerous. Ginger aids with blood thinning and decreases blood pressure, both of which can be problematic with these drugs. If you enjoy the flavor of ginger, but have one of these conditions, here is a list of items that can serve as an excellent substitute for this flavorful root. In place of ginger, nutritionists suggest red paprika, cayenne pepper, and sweet peppers. They will undoubtedly give your food the flavor boost that ginger used to deliver. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.